Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. Now this is one of my short videos. I like to call it the Australian Canary channel. I did some short videos last year. It still falls under the banner of Gloucester Canary Australia. Now, if you'd like to be a part of the channel, either in a short video or in Gloucester Canary Australia, please contact me on the Facebook page at Gloucester Canary Australia. Just send me a message and I'll see what we can do. Now, it's 8:30 a.m. and it's pretty sunny in my bird room. I get plenty of light. All my birds are in very good health and in good condition. And what works for me might not work for you. But I put some nest pans in a couple of days ago. I've had a couple of hens starting to play around with the nest already. So just in a moment, we'll take a look at some of my birds. But before that, just remember, guys, keep your protein up on your birds. Your soak seed, your hard-boiled eggs or your egg and biscuit. Greens are very important. Look, I've put my birds in a couple of days ago with their nesting materials, but other breeders might wait another 4 or 5 weeks. But that's what works for them. But this is what works for me. All right, guys, I'll just showcase some of my birds, and I'll see you at the next little episode. Have a good one.